Hello everyone, how to convert the text to video using AI, artificial intelligence, lumen5 website and Chat GPT to produce videos for YouTube. So we are using Chat GPT to generate texts, and then take this text and put it in this website to produce videos. So follow me in this video to know how to do this. So first of all, we should register in this lumen5.com using your name and username and password and so on, and then click after you sign in, click a new video like this, and choose a template or skip this process, because we need to transform your text into video or create video from scratch. So we'll select this first one, transform your text into video, click on it, and then you can take don't have your copy and paste your text here, or import it from a link. So I have links here, so I will take this link. It takes about Soft Elevator. It's a program I designed to draw installation drawing for elevators and for decreasing errors and enhance installing time and efficiency of construction and installation of elevators. So I will take this text and put here this link, and put here Ctrl V, and then importing your article. So now it's working, and we are waiting for moments until he finish importing the text. Now the text was imported. Continue with artificial intelligence. The bots are syncing. Artificial intelligence or robot is syncing and the text, convert it to video. Then the script was summarized here into just 31 seconds, the duration of the video. And here we have a title, packet of elevator drawings, introduction, benefits of my contribution, improved efficiency, enhanced safety, and so on. And now convert it to video. Now the conversion is working. Generating the way it takes some moments. As you see, it like scenes, each script in one scene. And as we said before, it's just less than 40 seconds. And now, as we see, we have shorts, and the total is 47 seconds, as you see here. Now we can select the format, because it's short, less than 1 minute. I will select vertical to be portrait, so I will select this one. And we can review. So as you see, it's with music in the background, and it's working good. Step is to publish it. publishing. Now after it will be published, we download it and then upload to our YouTube channel. It will be short video. And now we are downloading it. Allow. It's downloaded.